Hi ecobee Pro! Welcome to the walkthrough of how to install ecobee's Smart Thermostat Enhanced and Smart Thermostat Premium. We've been making products for Pro since 2009, and we're excited to share our latest generation of smart thermostats with you. They're more advanced in performance and design, backed by an exclusive 5-year warranty when installed by a professional like you, and simple to install in a variety of configurations compatible with most residential HVAC systems. An ecobee Smart Thermostat is a great choice for your customers too, helping them save energy, live comfortably, and help the planet. This install video is designed with you, the pro, in mind to help navigate the most common setups and questions. In additional videos, we'll show you how to install with a heat pump, fan coil unit with multiple speed fan, and a power extender kit used when there is no C or common wire available. Everything you need to install comes in the box, including the power extender kit, screws, drywall plugs, backplate, installation manual, and optional trim plate. Pro tip number 1. Thermostats require time to acclimate to the new environment. To help shorten this time frame, take the thermostat out of the box at the beginning of the installation. Pro tip number 2. Make sure the customer's HVAC system is functioning properly with the old thermostat before you begin. First things first, turn off the power to your customer's heating and cooling system, usually a light switch or a breaker panel. Back at the thermostat, remove the old thermostat cover and begin with taking a photo of the wiring as a reference, then label and disconnect the wires. Pro tip number 3. The old thermostat may have 2 sets of wiring labels, one for conventional setup and one for heat pump. Make sure you're using the correct set of labels when matching to the ecobee Smart Thermostat. If there is no C or common wire, check to see if there's an available unused wire. If not, you'll need to use the power extender kit. Once the wires are labeled, remove the old backplate from the wall, then line up and install the new ecobee backplate. You can use the trim plate to cover up any marks or holes left from the previous thermostat. For one-stage heat and one-stage cool setup, start installing the thermostat wires into the same labeled terminals on the ecobee as they were on the old thermostat. If there was a jumper between RH and RC on the old thermostat, the jumper wire is no longer required. Remember to just connect to the R terminal. For the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium 1-transformer configuration, R must go into RC. When configuring the thermostat during the Pro First Run setup, just select RC and check out our Pro First Run instructional video for more details. For 2-stage heat, 2-stage cool setup, when installing the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, the W2 wire goes to W2/OB. For the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, ensure the W2 wire goes to W2. Once all the wiring is correctly placed, give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they're all fully inserted and making good contact. Gently push the ecobee thermostat onto the backplate and turn the power back on to the HVAC system. You'll see it start up right away and ready to set up. Select I'm a Pro and configure the device as required. Don't forget to enter your unique ecobee Pro PIN. Contact Inside Sales at ecobee.com to get your ecobee Pro PIN today. It keeps you connected to your customers, sends you an alert when they need you, and includes your contact information directly on the thermostat. Pro tip number 4. As a pro, you're likely validating the temperature setting is correct against your own digital thermometer. But before you calibrate the temperature on the thermostat, we recommend you seal the wall penetration to prevent any unwanted drafts coming into the thermostat. Plumber's putty works well. Now your customer is all set. If you have any questions about installation, our support team is here to help. We hope you can feel confident installing ecobee into your customers' homes. Thanks for watching.